Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Every July through September, journey to Fuli Township, where beautiful yellow lily flowers dot the landscape. Carefully preserved by the Hakka, this area is considered a natural paradise. Lily flowers are difficult to grow and require lots of patience and hard work. Grown with special care, they are best picked during dawn and must be harvested before they blossom. In a way, the process of cultivating lily flowers provides insight into the Hakka as a beautiful yet resilient group of people.
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zapsiu. And let's see, we're going to talk about more about Hakka culture right here, places to go, food to eat. How about flowers? That's right, because a couple of months ago, we taught you, of course, the very famous tongue flower blossom, 也就是五月雪。这个大家都知道，五月雪就是所谓的桐花的时候嘛。
是的。
现在应该有不一样的花正在盛开当中吧？
现在这个花是可以吃的。
真的？
那叫做金針花。
金針花。
就是金針排骨那個金針。
就是那個金針的花。Okay, this is the daylily, which is edible as well. 不過 Leo， 這應該到處都可以開這個金針花啦哈。可是一定有特定什麼地方比較可以看得到多一點金針花？
有啊，在花蓮的富里哈，其實每次到了7月到9月這段時間，就是它的花季，這段時間你就可以看到滿山遍野的金黃色，那就是金針花。
OK， 那看到可以摘來吃咯。
應該不能現場吃啦。不過他們現在哈，他們有把那個叫做伐字把它摘下來炒，就是還沒開的那種。
All right，
你有吃過嗎？
沒有吃過
沒吃過。
所以它等於是它的那個
花苞
啊，
叫做伐字。
I see. So Leo just pointed out, if you want to see the daylily blossom, the best place to go is in Hualien, in a town known as 什麼富里，是不是？
富里。
Okay, you can go there and it's full of daylilies. And nowadays, people even harvest the flower bud before it opens up to use it in their cuisine as well. So this is a very interesting type of flower. Go see it. It blossoms between July and September, so you still got a couple more months. 從7月到9月都可以看到我們的這個金針花。
是，沒錯。
Let's review some of these terms. 金針花
金針花
that is the daylily. You can go to Hualien for that.
花蓮
and the town is Fuli, and there you have it. Hopefully one more place for you to visit while you're in Taiwan. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.